Today's lesson is on dividing decimals. There are a couple things you need to remember when you are dividing decimals. First, you need to get rid of the decimal in the divisor. So if there was a decimal here, we would need to get rid of it. But you also need to remember whatever you do to the divisor, you must also do to the dividend. So let's look at example 1. 310 and 5/10 divided by 5/10. So we need to remove the decimal from our divisor. So we need to move the decimal to the right one place. So you must also do the same thing to the dividend. So we now have 3,105 divided by 5. So first ask, how many times does 5 fit into 3? And it doesn't, so you move to the next digit. 5 fits into 31 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract, you get 1. And 3 subtract 3 is 0. Bring down the next digit. 5 fits into 10 exactly 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down the next digit. 5 fits into 5 1 times. 1 times 5 is 5. You subtract, you get 0. There is no other number to bring down, and you have a 0 remainder, so you can stop. So the answer to 310 and 5/10 divided by 5/10 is 621. Example 2. Again, move the decimal in the divisor one place to the right. The decimal for 26 is at the end. So when you move it one place to the right, you actually need to put in that 0. You have 260 divided by 25. 25 does not fit into 2. Check 26. 25 fits into 26 one time. 1 times 25 is 25. Subtract, you get 1. Bring down the next digit. 25 does not fit into 10. So put a 0 in your quotient. 0 times 25 is 0. Subtract, you have 10. There is no other number to bring down, so you can put in a trailing 0. When you put in the 0, you put a decimal in your quotient right above the dividend and bring down the 0. 25 fits into 100 4 times. 4 times 25 is 100. Subtract, you get 0. There is no other number to bring down. And since we have a 0 remainder, we can stop. So the answer is 10 and 4/10. Example 3. Again, get rid of the decimal in the divisor. Move it one place to the right. So you must move this decimal one place to the right. So we have 117 and 73 hundredths divided by 51. 51 doesn't fit into 3. 51 does not fit into 31 either. So we must go one place value further and ask how many times does 51 fit into 317. It fits in there 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract. 7 times subtract 6 is 1. 1 subtract 0 is 1, and 3 subtract 3 is 0. Bring down the 7. 51 fits into 117 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, you get 5, 1, and 0. Bring down the next digit, 3. How many times does 51 fit into 153? Fits in there 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract, you get 0. There is no other number to bring down, so we can stop. Now, you need to remember that the decimal in your answer is directly above the decimal in your dividend. So the answer to 31 and 773 thousandths divided by 5 and 1/10 is 6 and 23 hundredths.